Okay, so hello. So today we're gonna make microwave popcorn in Zizi Carm's microwave. This time we're not at our house.
Okay, and what kind of microwave is it?
GE.
It's a GE. All right.
It's above the stove this time.
Okay.
Not like Nana's on the countertop.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do you need
Oh,
help?
I just need a stool.
You want Zia to lift you up?
I just need a stool.
Okay.
I need a stool.
So it's a little bit too high for you. Oh,
There you
here's
go,
a
buddy.
stool.
There you go.
Okay, bud. Okay. Yep. Okay.
And then we hit popcorn.
Woo!
Now definitely here.
Yeah. So, yeah. So here we go. So this looks like a bigger microwave than Nona's microwave, right?
Yeah. It looks like huh? But why is it counting down?
Well, let's see. It says popcorn regular size. And then it says press pad again for next option.
Oh.
So it's doing it automatically. So it knows the thing, depending on what size it is.
Okay, do you have to hit start?
No,
No, it's already
right.
going, buddy. See, look, it's turning.
Why is it counting down?
Because it has a sensor inside.
So it can tell when it's gonna get close to getting popped. See, look, it's come back, come watch.
It's starting to pop already. There
See,
you go.
look, the bag is getting flat now.
Oh, it's not counting down.
Well, maybe it'll count down near the end. We don't know that. Whoa! Look at it getting bigger.
Yeah. What if you just take with the screen?
Oh, you want the screen? Sorry. Yeah.
Now what? Popcorn regular. Now it's starting to count down. Yay! The countdown.
There you go. Now we got 3 seconds.
21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
It's set. What does it say?
Your food is ready.
Oh, wow. That's different.
That's
Okay.
what it says. Your food is ready.
It does say that. Okay, you gonna open up the microwave?
Well, that's so cool. I never saw a microwave say your food is ready. Now I know.
Look at that.
So
Now you
look
know.
at
Now
that.
I know it doesn't say end
Okay.
or cook end. It just says your food is ready.
All right. Do you want to finish off the video?
All right.
Yep, that's right. Always close the microwave.
Now that was so cool. It said your
Your-
food is ready.
All right. And this was a GE,
General Electric.
and it's Space Maker XL 1800. All right. Are you ready to go try the popcorn?
Yep.
Yep. All right. Say bye to the people on YouTube.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
And subscribe for more of my videos.